Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make your hair wavy with mousse using an easy method. First, ensure your hair is clean and damp. After washing, gently towel dry until it's about 1/4 dry, not soaking wet. This dampness is crucial for the mousse to work effectively. Next, use a wide-tooth comb to carefully detangle any knots, ensuring a smooth application. This preparation sets the foundation for beautiful, natural-looking waves. Now, let's apply the mousse. Dispense a golf ball-sized amount into your palm, adjust for hair length and thickness. Gently work the mousse through your damp hair, starting from the roots and moving towards the ends. Ensure even distribution, as this helps create uniform waves. Don't forget the underside of your hair. This step is key to defining your waves and adding volume without stiffness. With the mousse applied, it's time to create those waves. Take sections of your hair and gently scrunch them upwards towards your scalp. Hold each scrunch for a few seconds to help the waves set. Continue this scrunching motion all over your head until you see your desired wave pattern forming. This technique encourages natural texture and volume, giving you soft, bouncy waves. Finally, let your hair air dry completely for the most natural, effortless waves. If you're in a hurry, you can use a diffuser attachment on your blow dryer set to a low heat and speed. Gently cup sections of your hair in the diffuser as you dry. Once dry, avoid brushing to maintain the wave pattern. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers voice control and self-emptying for a pet-friendly clean, be sure to check the link in the description below. Enjoy your beautiful, wavy hair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.